What's the meaning of clangor? Clangor. Clangor.
Clangor. Clangor. Clangor refers to a loud, continuous noise or sound, often characterized by clanging or ringing. It is typically associated with harsh, unpleasant sounds and can be used to describe a chaotic or cacophonous environment. Examples of clangor include the sound of metal objects being struck together, the blaring of car horns in heavy traffic, or the din of construction work. The term is often used in literature to create a vivid sense of noise and chaos, and can also be used in everyday conversation to describe an irritating or overwhelming auditory experience.